Hey, I'm TJ Warzone and welcome to my geeky kitchen, where we make food and drinks based on your biggest fandoms. On today's show, we're gonna make Finn and Jake Bro Juice. Now, Finn and Jake are on a show called Adventure Time, which makes many of its viewers feel like kids. So I decided to make it from my favorite treats as a kid.
Okay, this is what you'll need. Two drink pouches. A blue drink. Food coloring. A juice box. Black frosting. Ooh, sparkly. And marshmallows. And an orange. Orange, because I didn't say banana. First, you're going to take your juice pouch, and you're going to cut it open. Do this for both. Then you're going to pour them into each glass. Then you're going to take your blue drink and pour it into the glass for Finn. Did you know, in Adventure Time, Finn is one of the last humans? And now you're going to put your juice box into the other glass. I recommend cutting it before pouring, because I didn't, and it didn't turn out well. This will be your Jake glass. This gets pretty messy. You might want to turn away. Now for your toppers. For Finn, you're going to take a marshmallow and you're going to change it to his face. You'll do this by mixing a glass of water and food coloring to get skin color. Add that to your marshmallow. Then wipe off the excess with a paper towel. Then repeat until you have the desired color you want. Mathematical. Now to give him eyes and a mouth. To do this, we're going to use black frosting. Now for Jake's topper, you're going to need to peel an orange. You want to go in a spiral shape just so you get the springiness of his arms. Do you know Jake has a girlfriend? Her name is Rainicorn. Now you can do this as close as you want to each other, just so it's more springy, or as far apart as you want. Whatever you like. there you go. Jake's arms. If they were made out of oranges.
Okay, all you're going to do to finish these drinks is just simply chop the bottom off here. Like that. Stick it right on. And for Jake, I'm just going to stick this towards the edge. If it wants to work with you. And there you go. Finn and Jake Bro Drinks. Please subscribe, and if you want some more ideas, please leave a comment below. Thanks.